Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing both the flash drive and the Roku TV so the transfer works reliably. Plug the drive into your computer, format it to XFAT or FAT32 to ensure compatibility, and copy any media into clearly labeled folders. Once done, check your Roku TV software and update if needed. This prevents recognition issues. Make sure you use a powered USB 3.0 drive if possible for faster reading and stable playback. Next, insert the prepared flash drive into the Roku TV USB port and wait a few seconds for the system to detect it. Open the Roku Media Player or the Files app. These apps read XFAT and FAT32 folders. You'll see your folders listed, navigate using the remote, and use sort options to find recent videos or photos quickly. Because Roku reads common codecs, convert any unsupported files on your computer first to H.264 MP4. To finish, select a file and press play. Adjust audio tracks or subtitles through the player menu if available. If you want to copy or delete files, do that on your computer and then reinsert the drive to refresh the library. If the Roku does not detect the drive, try a different USB port, reformat to XFAT, or use a powered USB hub. This fixes power-related recognition. If playback stutters, transcode the file to a lower bitrate and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.